What is the range of a CB radio? Have you ever wondered how, for a citizen's Ben radio can actually reach? If you are curious about the range of these vintage communication devices, you are in for a treat. Let's break down the details of CB radios and their capabilities. CB radios operate within a specific frequency, but that includes 40 channels. These channels range from 26.965 MHz to 27.405 MHz, with each channel spaced 10 kHz apart. This frequency range is essential for understanding how CB radios communicate. Now, when we talk about the range, we are looking at two main aspects: frequency range and communication distance. The frequency range is fixed, but the actual distance a CB radio can communicate varies based on several factors. First, let's consider power output. Most CB radios operate at a maximum power output of 4 watts. This power level plays a significant role in how far the signals can travel. The higher the power output, the better the range. Next, we have antenna quality. The type and quality of the antenna used can make a big difference in the communication distance. A well-designed antenna can extend the range significantly, allowing for clearer signals over longer distances. Environmental conditions also play a part. Factors like terrain, weather, and obstacles such as buildings or hills can reduce the effective range of CB radio signals. In urban areas, you might find that the range is limited to just a few miles due to these obstacles. Interference from other radio signals or electronic devices can also affect how well CB radios communicate. This interference can further limit the distance over which you can send and receive messages. In practical terms, the range of a CB radio can vary widely. In open terrain with minimal interference, you might be able to communicate over several miles. However, in crowded urban areas, the range could drop to just a few miles. From a collectibles and antiques perspective, vintage CB radios are often sought after for their nostalgic appeal and historical significance. While they may not offer the same range as modern communication devices, they hold a special charm for enthusiasts of vintage electronics. Understanding their original capabilities and limitations can make these radios even more appealing to collectors. So, whether you are a collector or simply curious about these fascinating devices, knowing the range of a CB radio can help you appreciate their role in communication history.